Morning light music.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very special dish which is called as Gajar ka Halwa, and I'll be giving a very quick recipe of it and you will of course like it. So let's get started. So first of all, I put the carrots, crushed them and put it on the stove. I took around 3 kgs of carrot, or you can take 2.5 kgs of carrot also. I crushed them and now it's on the stove. I'm taking 1 glass, or you can say 1.5 cups of milk in it, and now I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. It is not crushed sugar, but it will melt instantly when we'll cover the pot. Now just let's stay covered until the sugar melts. Now we are just going to mix it because the sugar has melted and it has left behind a good amount of water. Now we're going to add oil, and make sure that we do not add too much of oil because the things that we are going to add inside it are have already a good amount of oil, like fresh cream and Khoya. So next we'll be adding these things: fresh cream, dry milk and Khoya. This is dry. Now we can add the rest of the things, like I'm going to add fresh cream. This is in frozen form. I kept it in the refrigerator for days and now I have added it. It will leave its own oil. As we know, the cream is full of oil, the fresh cream is full of oil, and it will be leaving a good amount of oil. Now I'm going to add dry milk. Now I'm going to add some Khoya in it. I got this Khoya from the milk shop that is easily available in the market. You can easily get it from the milk shop. Just mix it thoroughly because we do not want it to get turned into oil instantly. So just keep mixing it on a very low flame. Cover the lid and let it stay there for about 15 minutes. Now I have opened the lid and you will see that the consistency is very good now. It has left all the oil and now it is ready to be served. I'll be adding the rest of the Khoya on the top afterwards. I have dished it out. Now you will see how good it is looking. It's so scrumptious, and I have added some Khoya over the top, and I have added some almonds, and you can also add some other dry fruits. If you have walnuts or pistachios, you can add cashews also. So just enjoy it, and I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.